Hi, my name is Sharon. I live in Inverness, Florida, and I came upon Muhammad about a year and a half ago. Muhammad has, over the time, redesigned my website, brochures for my esthetician, our business cards, and also events. He developed the posters and brochures for events that I did for artistic clients of mine, and they all just are very impressive and consistently beautiful. I will continue to ask Muhammad to do anything that I need to have done for my business when it comes to artistic work and marketing. You can't go wrong with Muhammad. He is unusual in that he aims to please. He pushes on through until you are very, very satisfied with his work. He will not stop. He is very sincere and authentic in his desire to achieve your goal. Very important. So this, to me, as a business person, is a unique quality, and which is why I will always continue to turn to Muhammad for business reasons when it comes to marketing. Thank you.